Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on adjusting your speed when turning. In this video, I'll be telling you exactly what you should be doing to adjust your speed before the turn, during the turn, and after the turn. Now, without further ado, let's get right to it. Obviously, this driving lesson is not addressing turns that you are doing from a standstill, meaning if you come to a stop sign and you're turning left or right, I'm not going to be talking about adjusting the speed in that sense. I'm talking about the turns in which you are rolling through them. When you're making a right or a left-hand turn without a red light, without a stop sign, in any situation where you're actually moving throughout the turn, where you don't have to come to a complete stop. So the turn can be broken down into three simple parts. Part number one is before the turn. Part number two is during the turn. Part number three is after the turn. Now, this is what the steering wheel is going to look like during each of those parts so that you know which part you're on. So before the turn, your steering wheel is straight. You are approaching the turn. Okay? During the turn is when your wheel is actually turned. So you turn the wheel, you're actually turning around the corner. That's during the turn. After the turn is once the steering wheel has been straightened again and you're driving in a straight line on the new street. All right, so here's how you adjust your speed. Before the turn, you're going to slow down from your current speed to your turning speed. So let's say I'm driving 50 kilometers an hour on a main road, and I know that I have to take that turn at 25 kilometers per hour. Before the turn, I'm going to slow down. I'm going to brake or decelerate, whatever the case is, as much as I need to before the turn, while the wheel is still straight. During the turn, I'm going to maintain that slower speed. So I've slowed down to, let's say, 25 kilometers an hour before the turn. During the turn, I'm going 25 kilometers an hour, for instance. So I maintain that speed. During the turn, once the turn has been finished and I transition to after the turn, I then accelerate to my new speed. Let's say on this new street, I have to go 40 kilometers an hour. I would accelerate from 25 to 40. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it on a few of these streets over here that have turns without stop signs. And I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Now, it is a little bit of a rainy day, so you're going to have to excuse me. My speeds are going to be slower to maintain the safety of myself and everyone else around me. But there are still going to be many turns that I can demonstrate, and the roads are actually full of snow, but I'm still going to be able to demonstrate it. All right, without further ado, we're driving down this street. Now, the first turn that I'm going to make, there will be a stop sign, so you're going to have to give me just a moment to get to the area. But a few things to note: the speeds that I outlined when I went through the examples, they were just examples. I mean, you can be taking a turn where you start off, you're going 80 kilometers an hour, and then you have to slow down to 30 kilometers an hour. Or maybe you're on a street where you're going 40 kilometers an hour and you only have to slow down to 35 kilometers an hour. The point of the matter is that these are just examples. There are many different speeds that you can use. Now, like I said, the roads are actually pretty bad over here. That's why you hear all that snow just going across the bottom of the car. But now we're going to approach a few different turns that do not have stop signs. After this one right here that has a stop sign. All right, I thought I'd be able to get to the turns a little bit quicker, but I'm driving in a really big pile of snow, as you can hear. Sorry, this is kind of funny to me because I thought I'd be able to get to the turns in a matter of not too long. All right, here we go. So here is a turn coming up ahead. If I don't get stuck in the snow, come on, you can do it. All right, so here we go. Didn't expect this for the video. I'm driving right now. I'm going about 30 kilometers an hour. Put my signal on. I'm slowing down to my turning speed. Now I'm maintaining this slower speed throughout the turn, okay? And now I'm going to accelerate out of the turn. And like I said, it's a pretty rough day out here. I don't know why I chose to make this video in this weather, to be honest with you. But I've already started the video and it's already going really well for the most part. So I'm gonna pull over and I'm gonna just explain it one more time. I'm gonna keep trying so I don't get stuck in the snow. So once again, for adjusting your speed while driving, before the turn, you want to make sure that you slow down as much as you need to slow down. Okay? During the turn, you want to maintain that slower speed. And then after the turn, you want to accelerate. So your slowing down should all be done before you start that turn. When you're making the turn, you're not really accelerating, you're not really braking, you are just maintaining speed. Okay, you want to maintain that safe, slower speed throughout the duration of the turn. And then after the turn, that's when you accelerate. And after the turn is not when, you've completed the turn but your wheel is still turned a bit. After the turn is when your wheel is relatively straight. Once again, you're going in a straight line on that new street. But that's basically it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.